Hi guys, and I will explain. Today topic is interface in Java. Thank you for watching and please subscribe my channel. And for now, I will explain so many topics in core Java. I will providing description that are all videos links. And first of all, check it out all videos. And today topic is interface. Interface is a very simple loops concept. Interface looks like a class but is not the class. An interface can have methods and variables just like a class, but the methods and declare interface are defined abstract, only method signature, no body. The variable declared in interface are public, static, final by default. An interface in Java is duplicate of class. In Java, static, constant, and abstract methods only. The interface in Java mechanism to achieve fully abstraction. There are can be only abstract methods in Java, not method body. It is used to achieve fully abstraction. Multiple inheritance in Java. In interface defined begin the keywords interface. An interface like that of abstraction class cannot initialize. And what are the uses of interface? Interface used for fully abstraction since methods in interface do not have a body. They have to implement the class defined before you can access them, and then class that implements interface must implement all the methods of that interface. Also, Java programming language does not allow you to extend more than class. However, you can implement more than one interface in your class. And let's start the video. Let's start the practically will explain. So, and I will write it all code in interface code, and I will explain it. First, interface WebDriver name is WebDriver, and WebDriver are creating two methods. That methods is open and close. Two methods perform in another method, another classes. Firefox class and Chrome class. Implementing two classes only only providing these methods only, not a action, not providing any syntax, not providing any syntax, only names only. And the syntax providing only this implements classes. Firefox implements WebDriver interface. This providing a open syntax system.out.firefox open and close system.out.firefox close. This is a performing actions. Actions only providing classes, but not action providing interface. Okay, and these also same public void open class perform an action Chrome open and close Chrome close. This is the same. These are two. And interface WebDriver is a one API, one open and close, and this is a open, this is a close, and Chrome also this open, this close. And how to perform this and to write the program to creating Firefox driver and is equal to Firefox driver. This is a class of Firefox class, is the object of Firefox class. ff open ff close is the object, is the close and open. And Chrome driver and Chrome driver, this is open, this close. And these are directly accessing class is directly accessing, but accessing by having of any class. These also interface also action that class. WebDriver driver and Firefox driver. WebDriver is a interface. This interface creating driver is equal to Firefox driver. This Firefox driver is a Chrome. This Firefox is driver is a class, and these two are combined combining creating one driver. The driver is object is open and close, and same as Firefox, the same as Chrome also creating WebDriver, driver also creating Chrome driver. Two classes are created same to same, and this the and let's run this program. Java. This is a Firefox open, Firefox close, Firefox Chrome browser open, Chrome browser close. These are directly creating objects, but these are the Firefox open, Firefox close, Chrome browser open, Chrome browser close. This is a WebDriver interface, and Firefox server Chrome creating object is a another type of object creations. These the main things creating perform any actions in interface. This is the main purpose of interfaces creating. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel, and God bless you.